Meaning of idyllically.
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 Idyllically. Idyllically is an adverb that describes something in a peaceful, charming, or picturesque manner. It can be used to describe a place or situation that is reminiscent of an idealized pastoral setting, with an emphasis on natural beauty and simplicity. When something is idyllically perfect, it suggests a sense of serenity, tranquility, and harmony with nature. For example, a quiet countryside village with rolling green hills and a babbling brook passing through might be idyllically charming. The word conveys a feeling of contentment and relaxation, creating a sense of escape from the stresses and complications of modern life.